Hello YouTube, it's Garemore, and you are looking at a Signal Boy smoke detector, or smoke alarm. Why are you looking at that? Because I want to talk about some smoke alarm design flaws. The most obvious design flaw is right in front of you. I'm going to try to turn this around. Yeah. What are those? Those are buttons. Do you happen to know where this is located? It's in my bedroom. Yep. Why are there buttons on a smoke alarm in my bedroom? And they are also on the ceiling. Those are the panic button, the test button, and the silence button. They should not be on the ceiling, especially the first one, because if there was a fire emergency, for some reason the sensor didn't work or whatever, you would have to get like a stick thing, some kind of pole or something to, press the button. And this is also the exit door right there that you can see on the camera. So if you're pressing the button, these buttons don't latch, by the way. You would be potentially blocking the exit. And brings us to the second design flaw. The buttons are on the unit itself, which is on the ceiling. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. The buttons being on the ceiling, what that can be done to fix it is to mount the buttons on the wall about 7 feet, a little lower than 7 feet on the wall. And the third design flaw, which I can't demonstrate on this video because I don't want to get in trouble with my fire department, is that the frequency of the sound from the buzzer is way too high to be usable. Yeah, it is about 3,000 hertz or something. I don't know the exact frequency, but it's like really high frequency. I'm not going to press the buttons because I don't want to make my neighbors mad or anything. What could be done to fix that is to put in a little bit larger speaker and remove the buttons. Either internal or external. And here's the fourth design flaw. It's not really design flaw of the smoke detector. I'm going to stand in this position where the smoke detector is. Say that's about where I see it. My bed is all the way on the other side of the room, which is about 11 feet. Building codes recommend that the distance between where anyone sleeps and the nearest speaker or buzzer, it should be about 7 feet. 7 to 8 feet. Yes, this will vary depending on your location and everything. The video's a little longer than I wanted it to be. I just wanted to get that information out there. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are always in the description. Goodbye.